Dress patterns will always have a guide to show you how to fit your pattern pieces onto the fabric, but I often don't follow that. I'll do my own placements on the fabric, to try and salvage as much fabric as I can for maybe another project. But in this case, it's to fit the pattern pieces on because I've made them a bit wider. So let's see how I've got on. So from this to this, I always iron my pattern pieces just to make sure I'm cutting out the right shape. But when you do this, do make sure that you've turned your steam off. You don't want to be steaming your paper pattern. Do you like to preserve your patterns and keep all the different sizes on there and all the different lengths of skirt or whatever? Like, I need to mark this line. This is where the shorter length skirt finishes. And I don't want to cut through my pattern. So I'm going to mark the fabric. I've got some tailor's chalk and I generally just fold it and mark it and go along this way. And then when I cut it out, I can sort of join these dotted lines up by eye and it works out okay. I'm very lucky in my sewing room. I've got a cutting mat on my table and I've got the biggest size I could get. I use a rotary cutter and I find this a really simple way to cut out. I feel like it's a pizza cutter, but it cuts through the fabric.